So I have this incense burner that when you put stuff up here and burn it, or down here, it creates, like, you know, smoke out of the dragon's mouth, and then it falls down, or it goes around the back down here, and it pools in here, and then a lot of the times it spills over, and anything that's around this, it will stain it. So like, I used to have paper towels and stuff under there, but I want a more permanent, more, you know, appealing solution to that. So I think printing a little mat or something so I can control the shape and, you know, the sizing and everything. I'll probably do like a hexagon or maybe an octagon, maybe a circle, I don't know, to put under this, so when that smoke comes over, that bit of stain doesn't get on the table I have it on. And there we go. It took quite a while to print, but it's there. It doesn't look the greatest, you know, there's visible lines and a couple of mess ups, but just for a functional print, it's, you know, solid, tough PLA, so it'll work for what I want it for, which is, of course, the dragon. And so usually when the smoke comes out of here and it falls here, there's usually a stain that happens because I had paper towel under it before, and you can see staining. So that was the point of this, was to keep that contained to this instead of getting on my table, because anything that comes past here, it doesn't seem to do that. So yeah, that's project complete.